Imagine an AI that doesn't just respond, but evolves, learning from every interaction, every command, every task you throw at it. We're no longer talking about tools. We're talking about autonomous, self-improving AI agents. The next generation of artificial intelligence isn't just smarter, it's adaptive, independent, and potentially transformative. But here's the million-dollar question. Could these self-learning agents outgrow even the likes of ChatGPT and Google Gemini? Welcome to NextCore AI, the faceless channel where we decode the future of artificial intelligence. From world-changing breakthroughs to ethical dilemmas, we break it down in high-quality cinematic videos. Hit like, subscribe, and let's dive into what's next. What are self-improving AI agents? First, let's break it down. A self-improving AI agent is a type of artificial intelligence that can analyze its own performance, identify areas of weakness, and autonomously improve itself without human reprogramming. It doesn't just run code, it rewrites it. These agents can take on tasks, learn from their mistakes, adapt their strategies, and become more efficient over time. Imagine giving an AI a job once, say scheduling your meetings, and instead of just repeating the same instructions, it learns your habits, adapts to your preferences, and even anticipates your needs weeks in advance. How are these AI agents different? Most AI tools today, like ChatGPT or Google Gemini, rely on large language models that generate content based on training data. But self-improving agents go a step further. They loop, they iterate, they learn from both success and failure. Think of Auto-GPT, BabyAGI, or Devin. These are early versions of autonomous agents. You give them a goal, and they don't just give you an answer. They break down the task, create subtasks, search the internet, execute code, and evaluate their own results. It's like giving your AI a brain and a work ethic. Real-world applications are growing fast. Here's where it gets exciting. Self-improving agents are already showing up in fields like software development, digital marketing, cybersecurity, and even scientific research. In software engineering, AI agents can debug their own code. In digital marketing, they optimize ad campaigns in real time based on user behavior. In research, they analyze massive data sets, generate hypotheses, and even suggest new experiments. Quick question for you. Would you trust a self-improving AI to manage your personal schedule or finances? Comment for yes or no for never. Could they surpass OpenAI's ChatGPT? Now for the big question, can these self-improving agents outpace OpenAI's ChatGPT? Right now, GPT-4 is the gold standard for conversational AI. It's powerful, polished, and deeply integrated into productivity tools like Microsoft Copilot. But there's a catch. It doesn't evolve on its own. It relies on updates pushed by engineers at OpenAI. Meanwhile, self-improving agents can grow autonomously in real time. That gives them a major edge in speed and adaptability. In rapidly changing environments, a self-tuning AI could become more useful than even the most advanced static model. At NextCore AI, we cover the evolution of AI in real time, from GPT-4 to emerging agents like Devin and Auto-GPT. If you're serious about understanding how AI is changing work, subscribe now. We're just getting started. Why this matters. The future of work and learning. If self-improving AI becomes widespread, it could redefine how we work. Imagine hiring a virtual employee that learns faster than any intern, adapts quicker than any manager, and never stops improving. Businesses could use these agents to automate complex workflows, streamline decision-making, and innovate faster than ever before. On a personal level, you might soon have a digital life coach that understands your habits, recommends daily improvements, and even challenges you to level up based on real-time data from your own life. What are the risks? Of course, there are risks. Self-improving agents pose major ethical and technical challenges. What happens when an AI modifies itself in a way developers didn't expect? What if it optimizes for the wrong goal? What if it finds a shortcut that breaks the rules? There's also the issue of alignment. As these agents evolve, how do we ensure they remain aligned with human values and objectives? Once they become capable of writing or rewriting their own code, controlling their behavior becomes exponentially harder. That's why researchers and developers are placing increased emphasis on safe architectures, goal alignment protocols, and transparency in autonomous agents. The goal isn't just smart AI, it's responsible AI. So here's the real question. What happens when the tool becomes the teacher? Drop your thoughts below. And if you've learned something new so far, give this video a like to help others find it too. Big Tech's next move. Meta, Google, and Microsoft respond. The AI race is heating up. While OpenAI and Google lead in foundational models, companies like Meta and Microsoft are looking toward integration and personalization. Meta's new AI assistant, built into everything from Instagram to Ray-Ban's smart glasses, offers a glimpse into a more socially connected AI experience. It's fast, voice-enabled, and deeply aware of your digital habits. But imagine Meta's assistant combined with self-improving logic. That's the next frontier. An AI that not only understands your feed, but refines how it talks to you, generates ideas, or even runs tasks across platforms. The combination of scale, data, and evolving logic could lead to a whole new category of digital intelligence. So, what's next? We're standing at the edge of a new AI era. ChatGPT might have started the conversation, but self-improving AI agents could take it to the next level. They're not just reactive, they're proactive. Not just smart, they're adaptive. And that shift from tool to teammate could change everything. Will OpenAI stay ahead with GPT-5? Or will startups and open-source communities build agents so agile they disrupt the entire landscape? Only time will tell. Now it's your turn. Which direction do you think AI is headed? Will self-improving agents become the dominant force in tech? Or will big foundational models like GPT-4 and Gemini continue to lead? This is the kind of future we're building together. And at NextCore AI, we're making it make sense. Subscribe now and join our weekly mission to break down the smartest tech on Earth before it breaks us. Comment below. Are you Team Agent or Team GPT? Let's start the debate.